Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Karojeje official kama kawaida, home of food recipe and home of cooking ideas. Ya hapa ukikuja umefika. We learn how to cook, how to prepare killer food. So today I'm here with another recipe for you. So I'm going to show you how to cook liver. And as you can see, niko hapo hivyo na ma spices zangu. I have tomatoes over there. Yeah, as you can see nishakata, and niko na hoho hapo hivyo. Sijakata bado, but I'm going to cut it so that tupike madunjo. So guys, I'm going to use lemon juice, and I have the crushed ginger and garlic, and I have coriander, I have tomato paste and some spices over there. I'm going to use 4 spices including Royco cube, black pepper, etc. So guys, let's cut our onions and tukarange maudunjo pamoja. As you can see, I'm done cutting my onions. Yeah, now it's now time tuweke kwa sufuria, then tuanze to fry our liver. I'm going to give it time, something like 2 minutes. Hizo mavitungu zive, then after zimeiva, like at least 2, then I add ginger and garlic, crushed one. Yeah, so as you can see, at least kitunguu imeiva kidogo. Na nimeongeza ginger and garlic, so ni mix kidogo, then after mixing I give it time, then we add our tomatoes, and tukingoja nyanya yetu ive, vitunguu zetu zive, guess what, let's cut our hoho. Inaitwa pilipili hoho pepper, any you can, unaweza nikosoa hapo comment section, no one is perfect. As you can see, na try my best, but sikwangi best sana kwa kukata, like, but hope nimetry. Anyways guys, vitunguu zetu ni kama ziko ready. Even you can see ziko ready, so it's now time to prepare kwenye tuteka manyanya. Yeah, now it's time tuweke manyanya. Yeah, tomatoes. Then after adding tomatoes, tuipatie something like 1 minute. Yeah, itakuwa, I think 1 minute is enough. Then tuweke liver. Yeah, now our minute is over. It's now time to add our liver, then tuone venye ma appearance itatokelezea. You know, we are expecting good results, or what can I use? Yeah, anyways, hope you understand. Good results, like they come out like hey. Anyways, so guys, let me add the spices. I have added Royco cube, and there I have another spices that I'm going to add. Mixed spices, hiyo imemixiwa tu, nimeweka like iko mixed, imekwa pepper, sijui garlic, ndio hiyo inaitwa mixed spices. Yeah, and after that, bila kusahau pepper, black pepper, my favorite. Yeah, ndio spices nilikuwa naambia, the curry spice. Yeah, that one that you can add both in dry and wet, anything that you cook. Yeah. Guys, muna check even before to mix, but kana slap, kana slap sana, like the appearance is very smart even before ijaiva. Hata kama ijaiva, unaget tujeka hoho, tujeka coriander, but venye inakaa, you can like it, unaweza ipenda tu. don't worry about the camera, everything will be okay. You know, this is my beginning, everything is not going well, but hope the cooking is good. Yeah, but soon mtaona tunawaambia hey, nilikuwa done kwa camera, but right now everything will be good, everything will be fine, but itabidi tumezoea. Yeah, let's try and hit 1k subscribers. Hey guys, the camera. Anyways, hope you understand. And now guys, it's our time to add salt. So let's add salt. Guys, remember to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. We hit 12k subscribers. So here hoho yangu iko ready, and what I need in this lemon, the only thing I need is just that juice, the lemon juice, nothing else. So ilifaa nafinya then ndio nipate hizo majuice, lemon juice zake. Yeah, like, you know, people like something like bitter, like sour, so yeah, like it's just between there. But pia si lazima, unaweza kama usiweke. Lemon juice is not a must, ina depend you like or you don't like. Like even same to spices, unaweka kitu unapenda ama ukiona haupendi, no need. Yeah, bado inaweza kuwa too smart. Kana slap na kana kapoa. Guys, hope you like it even kama haijaiva, but hope da inakaa poa, like the appearance inakaa fiti sana. Wow, I personally I like it, even if kama sijaonja bado, but inakaa poa. So guys, this is stew. You can serve with maybe chapati, indomie, spaghetti, ugali, anything, rice. Like what I always say, like as long as something is healthy, as long as food is healthy, you can eat it with anything. So guys, liver yangu iko ready, and hope mnazoona venye inaka akiwala inakaa fiti. Try cook with me, watch this video, and if you don't know how to cook liver, learn from me and thank me later. So guys, tukiendelea hivyo, I think this is the end of this video, and remember to subscribe guys. We hit 1k subscribers. Comment there what you want me to cook next, and share to your friends or people so that they watch and subscribe. We get to the target, like we hit the target that we are working on, the milestone that we are working on. So guys, thank you for watching, and God bless you. I love you. Bye bye.